Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to go to the very top of the list in order to tap on About Phone. Now let's check the MIUI version, and this is the thing which we need in order to actually activate the developer options. So all you have to do here is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got this info, so we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got developer options, so we can enter. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, as you can see. So for example, we can change the width. We can force the RTL layout direction. We can show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So plenty of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back to the general settings, probably, yes, after getting back to the general settings and entering additional settings again, you can see that developer options simply disappeared. But of course, no worries. If you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.